Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all that are new, my name is Denise Marie, and I just want to say first thank you to all my new subscribers, and I really appreciate you all and appreciate your support. So today's video is going to be a relaxing evening clean with me, and I'm super excited because I have not shared my cleaning routine in a while. And so, yeah, I just wanted to definitely share this with y'all so that I can inspire some of y'all to get cleaning at night as well. And all right, let's get started with this video. So on this evening, we didn't make a big mess. My husband actually cooked our dinner on the grill. We made fajitas and we just made a little bit of rice on the side. So we didn't have a huge mess because also when we are cooking, I like to clean as I cook or clean up after him as he cooks, because I feel like it just makes it a little bit easier when it's time to actually clean up after we are done eating our meal. So the first thing I like to do is gather everything and put it on the island here so that everything's in one spot, and that way when it's time to go back, I just have to wipe everything down really good. So on some nights I will wash dishes by hand, and on some nights I will throw them in the dishwasher. On this occasion, we had been kind of building the dishes up a little bit. It's only 4 of us at home, so it does take like at least a day or two for us to build up the dishwasher. And so I had been, I guess building it up a little bit, and so I was just gonna go ahead and throw them all in the dishwasher this night, with the exception of a few, because there are a few that of course are not dishwasher safe, like my cutting board. I definitely don't want to put that in the dishwasher, and some of my more pricier knives, because they're knives and we don't want them to get dull. And so on this night I did a little bit of both. I put most of them in the dishwasher, and there was a few of them that I did wash by hand. So in a second here, you'll see me use the Method degreaser for my stovetop. I will also be using the Method granite cleaner, and I will also be using I think it's Wiseman. I don't remember the brand name of it, but it's they are wipes for stainless steel appliances. I will also be using those to clean off my clean and shine my stainless steel appliances. So now that I've shared the cleaners that I'm using with you, I'm curious to know, definitely comment down below and let me know what you use to clean your kitchen at night, whether it be stainless steel wipes or degreaser, or even if you have something that you use on your countertops, and whatever it is that you like to use. So one tip I will share with you is my kitchen rag. I like to use a kitchen rag every night, or a new one actually, I should say every night, because I read that it's good for you to change out your kitchen rag every day. So I definitely have one kitchen rag. I think I actually have 8 different kitchen rags for every single day, and I actually just purchased the ones from Dollar Tree because they're very inexpensive and they come in a 2-pack. One side is a scrubber side and the other side is just the cloth side, and I really love those. So yeah, there's one of my little cleaning tips for you. So I don't know about y'all, but I have a dog, and he is a short-haired dog. So I of course have to vacuum my rug pretty much every single day. Also because, as you just saw, there was pistachio shells on my couch. So I have to vacuum my rug every day, and I also have a preferred way of doing the vacuuming of my rug, and I've even taught my children how to do it. I just like to go up and down and then side to side. I just feel like it, is a little cleaner that way. And I love my Dyson I think it's V8 vacuum, or V8 Dyson Animal vacuum. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I know it's Dyson V something Animal. But I really love it. It definitely helps pick up all the pet hair, even though he doesn't shed like a ton. And I try to stay on top of it because, I just don't want it running around the house. So, yeah. So if you're wondering why I have all these pots on my table, it's because my kids just planted some cilantro and mint in the 2 terracotta looking pots, and in the other pots I have some succulents that my neighbor actually gifted to me for free. And so I was very excited to get those. I actually need to repot them, and for right now I just kind of have them on my table until I repot them and decide where I'm going to put them. Alright everyone, so we are coming to the end of my video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you motivation to do your nighttime cleaning routine, and definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can stay tuned for future videos. If you're wondering why I have this basket right here full of clothes, it's because I usually also do a 10-minute or put on a 10-minute timer so that I can fold clothes for about 10 minutes and then go to bed. Also, follow me on Instagram at Denise_Marie06.com for more day-to-day content, and definitely leave me a comment down below. I really enjoy reading them and responding back to them and making new friends. And alrighty, I will see you on the next video. Bye.